guys, it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and thank you for coming back and hanging out with me here on my channel. I call my show Living the Creative Life. Yes, I am a corporate girl who traded in her business cards for paintbrushes, and now I get to paint every single day in my stretchy pants. And you know what? I love every single day of it. Thank you for being here, for following me on my journey, catching up with me here in my studio. And I have to tell you that I'm trying to paint up all the odds and ends that I have around this place. So I have some mirrors that I found along my junk and travels. I paid $1.99 for this one. And let's see, this one here was $3.99. Furniture is a dime a dozen. So don't spend all your money on that one thing. I promise you, girl, if you just shop a little bit more, you'll find it for way cheaper. So I hit on a thrift store that had things priced perfectly. These are mirrors that I will paint so that they can then sell, and they will go on to homes that love these pieces. You can never have enough mirrors in your home. Mirrors give the perception that your space is bigger, and for people out there who love to create gallery style walls, which is basically a collection, these are awesome pieces to incorporate into it. Let's pull out our Junk Monkey Chunky style paint. Sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. The colors I'm going to paint in today. This is one of my favorite colors, if you can't tell. Bahama Jade, baby, Bahama Jade. And we're gonna do some crazy eyes. Isn't that crazy? Crazy beautiful. I see these. What shape is this? Matt, are these mirrors octagon? I feel like they're octagon. Octagon has 8 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, octagon has 8 sides, right?
Yes.
Boy, I did learn a lot. How did I manage to retain that fact? I don't even know. I'm so proud of myself today. So these eclectic style brassy gold mirrors are gonna be gorgeous with some color on them. Mirrors always sell. I'm gonna grab a shabby chip brush. You guys, of course, can get all the supplies that I use here on my vlog over at junkmonkeypaint.com. And no, I'm not gonna prime or sand or strip or none of that jazz. Ain't nobody got time for that. I think this Bahama Jade is gonna look gorgeous with the gold. Guys, what I love about using the shabby chip brush is I don't even have to take a sand pad to it, because this hard bristled brush just gives me automatically that skipped, distressed look. And the fact that our paints go on so easy and dry to a flat matte vintage look, that vintage style, that vintage flair that we all love. Perfect, perfect, just a beautiful match made in heaven. All right, let's move on to our second mirror right now. And this one has a little bit more brown into it. It's not so brassy as the other one. So this is why I'm choosing to put the crazy eyes on this one. I think that it'll just make a great combo right here. Let's take a look, say bye-bye to Brownie Frownie. Woohoo! All right, I am gonna add a little extra distressing on this orange one. Maybe I will on the green one as well. We'll see if I'm feeling froggy. So we're just gonna go ahead and grab a sand block. Sand blocks are so much easier on your fingers than sandpaper. And now we go ahead and we distress those edges. I'm gonna give it a little extra distressing because we can. That's totally up to you. Oh boy, look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Like, isn't this beautiful right here? Oh yeah. Okay, Sonia, how are you gonna seal? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and grab for my banana peel. Do I absolutely have to seal? No, I don't, because these are not high traffic pieces. This poly is gonna leave them beautiful. Nice, professionally sealed. And this is just gonna be a quick, light coat all over, and we are done. Now we just let them dry. And I love how these guys look. Oh my goodness, somebody is gonna love on these and incorporate them into their home, and obviously somebody who loves color, which would be my ideal customer. So for this one right here, the $1.99 one, I'm gonna put a price tag of $16 on her. And for the Crazy Eyes one, I'm gonna put a price tag of $24. I'm gonna do some cute tags to put on them, and then they will be ready to go onto the shop floor. So not bad when you think about it. Took me like maybe 30 minutes from start to finish to be able to do these pieces. And then let's see, let's do the math real quick. So I would make 2 $20 bills, cha-ching, off of these $40 minus my $6, $4 for one, $2 for the other piece. So that would bring my profits to $34, of course, minus my paint, my little bit of paint that I just put on it. And let me just tell you, you can paint a lot of mirrors out of one can of paint. So it's all good. The route you take to sell your junk, your painted precious junk, is totally up to you. Whether you're like me and have a storefront, or a friend that has a secondhand store, or you know a vendor shop nearby, an antique mall, you get out to vendor shows, or you do the just good old online sales through Facebook or Craigslist. Totally up to you. So I think that was a win-win. This is it for my daily vlog. I'm off to find some more treasures. I'll be back again tomorrow to paint them with you and to see what fun we can get into. Here's the painting for profit. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I am a daily vlogger. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Do you paint for profit too? I want to know. See you tomorrow. Bye.